Is your dashboard showing a check electric vehicle system warning? Don't worry. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to diagnose, fix, and reset this warning, regardless of the electric vehicle or plug-in hybrid you own. This warning light indicates there might be an issue with your vehicle's electric drivetrain, battery management system, or related sensors. Let's go through the steps to troubleshoot and clear this warning safely. Step 1. Safety first, park and power off. Find a safe place to park and turn off your vehicle completely. Wait for at least 5 minutes before turning it back on. Sometimes, this simple reset clears temporary glitches triggering the warning. Step 2. Check the 12-volt battery. Even electric vehicles rely on a traditional 12-volt battery to power control systems. A weak or failing 12 volts battery can cause false warning lights. Use a multimeter to check the voltage. Anything below 12.4 volts may need attention. Recharge or replace the battery if necessary. Step 3. Scan for diagnostic trouble codes DTCs. Connect an OBD2 scanner that supports electric vehicle protocols. Scan your EV control units, battery management system, and inverter for stored fault codes. These codes will help identify the exact cause of the warning. Step 4. Inspect common electric vehicle issues. Common causes for this warning include faulty inverter or cooling system, battery cell imbalance or degradation, high voltage isolation faults, loose or corroded high voltage connections. Required software updates from your vehicle's manufacturer. Step 5. Reset the warning light. After resolving any detected issues, use your OBD2 scanner to clear the diagnostic codes. If the repair was successful, the warning light will turn off. Otherwise, it will reappear immediately. Step 6. Perform a hard reset, optional. If the warning persists, disconnect the negative terminal of the 12-volt battery for about 10 minutes. This hard reset can clear residual faults and reboot the vehicle's control systems. Always reconnect the battery securely afterward. Step 7. Test drive and monitor. Take your vehicle for a short test drive. Watch the dashboard for any returning warnings and ensure your EV performs normally. If the warning does not return, your issue is resolved. Remember, always consult your owner's manual for EV-specific guidance. Never ignore warnings if the vehicle enters limp mode or fails to start. Seek professional help from an EV-certified technician if unsure. Keep your 12-volt battery healthy to avoid unnecessary faults. Thanks for watching. If this step-by-step guide helped you fix your electric vehicle warning, please like and subscribe for more expert car troubleshooting tips. Drop your vehicle make and model in the comments. I'm here to help you get back on the road quickly. Drive safe and stay powered up.